Hey guys, welcome back to Shakir Khan Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to show you the form and technique of burpees, how to perform burpees, and then after that, I'm going to show you top 5 exercises which are going to help you achieve your burpees in a correct form and to improve your burpees endurance and strength by practicing these top 5 exercises on a daily basis. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So first of all, we are going to see how we are going to perform the burpees, the correct form and technique of burpees. So I'm going to start with a standing position. If you're doing it on a mat, you have to stand in the front of your mat, bend forward. You can bend your knee and go down all the way. Keep your hand, place your hand slightly wider than your shoulder, and then you jump back, come into the high plank position. So as soon as you jump back, you have to drop your upper body down, drop your entire body down, touch your chest on the floor, touch your pelvis on the floor, and then explosively you have to push up. So there is a push up also included in the burpees. So explosively you have to push up. Once you get your upper body up, you have to pull immediately your legs in, that is a knee tuck, and then you jump up. So that's how you perform the burpees. So as you have seen, there were few exercises already involved in the burpees. One was the push-up, then there was a knee tuck, there was a high plank. So these all exercises, if you break it down into different exercises, and if you practice them individually, you are definitely going to see a great and significant improvement in your burpees form. So now I'm going to show you the top 5 exercises that will help you improve your burpee strength. So starting with the first exercise was your push-ups. So you can either do a push-ups on your toe. If you have a good strength, you can perform the push-ups on the toe. So hands exactly below your shoulder, your toes should be hip width apart. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you come up. So this is the push-ups, keeping your spine neutral, neck neutral. So you can perform 10 reps of your push-ups. So in case if you're not able to perform the full push-up, you can put your knee down and you can perform knee push-ups. So you'll have to initially practice at least 10 reps and you do 3 sets of knee push-ups. So this is the first exercise that you're going to practice on a daily basis. Now moving on to the second exercise. Second exercise is inchworm. So in inchworm, you have to start on the back side of the mat and then you bend down, you can bend your knee also, you can bend down, start walking till the end of the mat, come up in the high plank position and then walk back. So this is your inchworm. So you need to practice this 10 repetitions, minimum 10 repetitions into 3 sets. Now moving on to the third exercise is your high plank. Now in high plank, you need to go down, keep your hands exactly below your shoulder, stretch your leg out one by one. Legs should be hip width apart, hands slightly wider than your shoulder, and hold this position for 30 seconds minimum. So this is your high plank. You need to practice 3 sets of 30 seconds each every single day. This will definitely improve your core strength, your arm strength. This will help you push explosively in your burpees. Now moving on to the fourth exercise, we are going to perform knee tucks. As you have seen in burpees, from this position when you are coming up, you do a knee tuck, you pull your knee in. So what you need to do is, you need to practice this 10 repetitions minimum and you do 3 sets of that. So this is your knee tuck. You start from the high plank. Before this you practice the high plank. So from high plank you start pulling your knee in, knee out, knee in and knee out. Keep your legs hip width apart and you can perform 10 reps of knee tucks into 3 sets. Now moving on to the last exercise that will help you improve your cardiovascular endurance and stamina as well. So the fifth exercise that we are going to practice on a daily basis is jump ropes. So this jump rope exercise is definitely going to improve your cardiovascular endurance, which is again a very important part of your burpees. So if you have a strong heart, if you have a strong lungs to pump oxygen to your blood, you will definitely be able to sustain for a longer period of time in your burpees or in any other exercises. So I hope you understood the form and technique of burpees, and I hope you got the 5 exercises that is going to help you improve your burpees. If you really have learned something new out of this video, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because in future I'm going to come up with a lot of informative and exercise and workout challenge videos. So stay connected and keep learning something new. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.